everyone. My name is Miss Susan, coming to you from the Main Branch Children's Department. Today I'm going to share a new picture book with you, but first I'd like to thank Harcourt Publishers for allowing us to read this book with you. The title of our book is Nugget and Fang by Tammy Sauer, and it's illustrated by Michael Slack. Everyone knows minnows and sharks can't be friends, or can they? Are they friends forever or snack time? Let's check it out. In the deep, deep ocean live two best friends, Nugget and Fang. And they did everything together. They swam over, glug. They swam under, glug, glug. They swam all around, glug, glug, glug. Life was close to perfect. Until it was time for Nugget to go to school. Mini minnows, welcome to a brand new school year. On Monday, Nugget was busy with reading. Today's story is about three little minnows and a big, bad shark. A big, bad shark? Ha! Said Nugget. Impossible. Nugget was busy with math. 1 + 1 = 2. 2 + 2 = 4. But what if there were 10 minnows and a shark came along and ate 4 of them? How many minnows are left? Is this a trick question? A shark would never even do that, said Nugget. And Nugget was busy with science. Sharks are scary, and here's the proof. Marine food chain, shark eating fish. The stuff on that poster just isn't true, said Nugget. My best friend is a shark. Sharks and minnows can't be friends. Have you lost your gills? Hello, sharks eat minnows. Nugget was shocked and apparently delicious. That afternoon, Nugget explained it all to Fang. Sharks are toothy. Sharks are scary. Sharks and minnows can't be friends. Sounds fishy to me, said Fang. It's true, see, said Nugget, and he held up his test. Food chain test. Sharks eat minnows. Sharks eat rusty license plates. They eat surfers. And all of the above. Then he swam far, far away, and Fang's heart sank. There was nothing he could do about being so toothy, but he had needed his best buddy back. He had to prove that he wasn't scary. On Tuesday, Minnie Minnows had a surprise visitor, a very big surprise visitor. What do you think he's dressed as? A mermaid. The visitor gave Nugget his friendliest smile. Oh my shark, swim for your lives. Oh my algae, said Nugget, it's Fang. On Wednesday, Fang tried a different approach. Dear Nugget, I'd love to have you over for dinner. Sincerely, Fang. He wants to eat you for dinner. Holy mackerel, said Nugget. On Thursday, Fang tried everything he could think of. A tattoo, a special delivery that said, "You're just fantastic." A song and a dance. But nothing worked. On Friday, Fang was out of ideas. All alone, he swam over, blub, He swam under, blub, blub. He swam all around, blub, blub, thwomp. Life was not even close to perfect. Fang was so busy boo-hooing he didn't notice a net drop. Down, down, down it came, right on top of all the mini minnows. I feel seasick. I think we might be the catch of the day. Oh no! The net pulled up, up. Somebody help! Fang squinted. Nugget? He had to do something quick, but what? Fang fanned his gills. He wrung his fins. Then, ping! Fang had a plan. Mini minnows. Danger! Shark sighted with big shark teeth. Fang's big shark teeth chomped. Fang's big shark teeth chewed. And Fang saved the mini minnows. All the minnows stared. I know, said Fang. I'm toothy, too scary, too shark. Wait! Nugget swam toward Fang. There were 10 minnows, he said, and a very special shark came along. How many friends are there all together? There was only one answer. In the deep, deep ocean lived 11 friends. They swam over, glug. They swam under, glug, glug. And they swam all around, glug, glug, glug. And everyone was all smiles, especially you know who. The end. And I hope you enjoyed our story today. And you can check out more great books about sharks and fish at any local CCPL branch library. And you can browse and reserve books from your home by visiting ccpl.org. Now you get to watch 2 of Miss Loren's fun craft videos. And she's going to show you how to make a cool shark tooth necklace and then a fishy fork painting. Happy crafting!